Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. It seems that in the options market, some traders are placing very long-term bullish bets on Apple. Here now to talk about it, Dennis Davitt and Max Wolff. So Dennis, what are we seeing here? I mean, how long and how optimistic are some of these option buyers?
Well, we're talking about options that are up 40% expiring in 18 months from now, and they're pretty fairly priced. I mean, at first blanch, the up 40% in 18 months sounds shocking until you realize that Apple was trading at that level a year ago. So it's definitely within striking distance to get to that point. I think the options are fairly priced. Ordinarily, if they're expensive, I tell people to buy the stock and sell those options to get some extra yield. I think what you're seeing right now, though, are people who are underweight and unsure, two things I'm not, buying those calls to gain exposure to the marketplace. So if you want to be in Apple, you think it might come back to the previous levels, you can spend 3% or $3 on these calls. The stock was trading there a year ago. If it goes there within a year, you could triple the premium that you spent on those options.
Okay, so it's a bet. Max Wolff, is that a bet that you would place?
I'm not sure I'd rush to take the bet, but I don't think it's a crazy bet. Part of the issue is you have to tie up a lot of capital to be long Apple, and it's been kind of limp money for a while. So this is a much cheaper way to gain some of that bigger upside exposure. I think the other story here is that Apple trades a significant portion on sentiment. There's a lot of bifurcation in the market. So some people think that the 7 is the ultimate proof that they're done innovating, and a whole lot of people are starting to see numbers and some early indication that the iPhone 7 might be a pretty interesting phone. And so there's a real split opinion here, and if you want to keep some of your powder dry but have some exposure to the fact that this company should be able to rally back to where it was not too long ago, this is one way to do it. So I don't think the pricing's crazy. I don't think we're going to see a rocket ship ride back there, but remember, a lot of cash on hand, any kind of resolution to move that cash, any kind of exciting buyout, and there are rumors all the time, get you at least half the way back there in one day.
Yeah, and there is that, like you said, the headline there of what is Apple going to do? There's a lot of things happen with Microsoft's big deal for LinkedIn. Could Apple make some kind of a surprise move? Some people have speculated, all kinds of things. I don't want to put it out there. But Dennis and Max, thank you both very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Folks, check out the live version of Trading Nation in the 2 o'clock Eastern Time hour of Power Lunch. We'll see you there for that as well. Have a great day.